Record. All right, good. All right, team. So, got a new week coming. Bears trying to get us. Let's see. Let's talk about ES first. ES, right? ES daily. So right now, yeah, we know futures is open. So if if ES holds this level here, then I think we could get a bounce. The only reason I'm saying that is because that sell-off on Friday, um, some traders didn't know, but that was quad witching day. So basically that's a big day where 3 month, I think it's 3 month contracts expired. So this happens like 3 to 4 times a year. And who the big money likes to buy like long-term contracts. So they expire within this range and that day. That's why I think the combination of that and Friday, I think just gave us that hard sell-off. So if ES holds the support, which is a strong support, I'm saying it because this was resistance, and I'm big on resistance turn support. So if this holds like over here, it was a little bit support, but lower, but it's bouncing higher. So if we do hold this, then I think the market could try to like bounce up. Um, am I long-term bullish? Let me see. Yeah, we're still in the positive range on the max, so I'm still a bull a little bit. I'm not gonna be a long-term bear. So let me talk about NQ. It's probably the same picture, most likely. That did not come out right. Okay. Probably the same thing though. All right, so NQ, as we know, yeah, it's almost identical as ES gang. So basically, if we don't go below 153.37.5, then I'm good. Like as long as we hold this. It's the same thing as NQ. So SPY, it's gonna look uglier because it's closed right now. So yes, we got a big nasty candle. We still flirting with the 50, so that's what I'm saying. We didn't really go under like these candles right here. This is really under to me when I see with rejection. This is just flirting with the 50. So it could easily get above, right back above that and bounce. Because remember, this was support and this was a rip here. So this is resistance a little bit on sorry, on SPY. This is resistance a little bit and it bounced this already once. So this could be the second bounce. So, just try to keep that in mind that we might not flush harder just because of that day. It was quad witching. So buyers could start coming in and buying their 3 month contracts again at the end of the year. So that's my take on SPY. Qs probably gonna be the same on the Qs. Or maybe so SPY looks heavier than Qs because it like gapped down a little bit. The Qs could definitely hold on. My bad, yeah. So the Qs could definitely come down a little bit more just because SPY sold off harder already. So the Qs could possibly come down to here and then bounce, but they haven't even touched the 50. So this is why I'm saying we could bounce. This hasn't even touched the 50. So we got some type of upside opportunity tomorrow. I'm banking more on the upside for a nice little bounce. And then maybe a reject will come, but I don't think they're gonna sell us harder. Let me see. This does look heavy. This already sliced through. So if it was a beginning stage of the slice, then I'll be like, yeah, we're gonna come down. But it already sliced through. That's what I'm trying to say. So if worst comes to worst, I'll look for this area to try to long the Qs, which is what 368. 90 area around there, right? Yeah, 368.90 area on the Q, so try to long it. But other than that, we bounce. I'm gonna be watching 373.25 to see if it's real. Let me see. I'll let an alert here. Let me go back to spot too, so I won't forget. And now this will be like a bounce entry. I'm gonna delete this. This will be like a bounce entry that I'll see how the Q is gonna react on the daily on the 50. And then SPY. We're gonna do similar. We're gonna do at least here because we know how these candles like to wick. So I'm gonna put an alert here to see if it does try to wick around there. If we go on the 442, 442. If we go on the 442, because Thursday I said on the 447, the alert, there was a typo or something. It didn't hit the channel, but I did say 447 on the shorts and it went to hell from there. So 442 under, I will start thinking about shorting if it does not bounce. So keep that in mind. I got the alert there. So let's see. Make sure it hits the channel tomorrow. That was my mistake on Friday. Okay, so I will watch the 440 90, 444.90 area. I did play the 445s on Friday and they worked, so this could potentially try to go through 445. So let's see what we got. I got a mixed bag. I got puts and I got some calls. I didn't go bias this time. I didn't go bias. So Spotify. So I'm gonna watch Spotify above the 159.90 area to try to get the 160s. I'll day trade it. I don't know about swinging it, but it looks strong. It's holding a nice trend, and it looks like it wants to build above the to my 9. So I like the hammer candle too. So this is not really scary to me because they're very far extended. So I'm a bull on this one. Let's see what else we got on this. We got the hell. Kava's at all-time lows. So let's see. So we're gonna be well if futures open green, obviously it's not gonna be this low. There's a double bottom happening, so I'm gonna watch that 37. Let me take this off. So it's 37.60, no 85 area. 37.85 to try to go long. I'll most likely swing this if I do catch it. Because I already, like I said, is all-time lows below IPO. Next we got Colgate. Colgate. Let's see why. Okay, super consolidation. So I don't know if it's true. Let me see, 74.15. After hours is saying is at 74.15. So I gotta see what happens when we wake up. But if it's true, it's saying that Colgate is around here, around this price range. So I'm gonna put an alert around here. So let's see if it's true when we open. Heavy consolidation in a very tight price range. So something's gonna happen, guys. We got a dark tint on the Mac, so that gap up after hours could be true, just because of that Mac. Let's see. Next, this one, PII, Polaris, another one that's up after hours as well, I think. Yeah, it's it's at right now it's saying a 11162. And look at the volume on that day. So 11162. Damn, that's a big rip after hours. Holy smokes, yeah. Let's see. Damn. I'll wait for the bounce. It's probably gonna sell off. So I'll put an alert here. Around 111. Matter of fact, it might be lower than this. 1 second, team. Yeah, like right here. I'll, I'll 80, try to get the 111 call since it ripped there. Ripped through it, sorry, after hours. But this one says it's up after hours and everything's indicating upside. Nothing really says it's going down anymore. As you know, it's been getting clouded. I mean, as you know, sorry. I don't even know if some of y'all know this tickets, but it's been getting hammered like ridiculously. So it could be time for a reverse. Ford, right? I think I'm short on this. I think there's a bear play. Let me make sure. Um, no, this is just a nasty looking chart. I can't really call it a bear play yet. So I will wait till we get around here to see if we reject. You see how these candles are rejecting? So wait until 4 gets around 12.5. And if it gets above 12.5, we have to see it crack like 12.55 in my opinion to see if it's really gonna go up. If not, you could just get the 12. I'm sorry, I meant 1265. And I think the 12.5 puts will work. Because if it does wick and come down, and Ford, I mean, Ford does look kind of exhausted, but it just has a very strong uptrend. So honestly, I think the 12.5s will be the best because if Ford does slice, it's probably gonna bounce around the low 1240s. So I'm not, yeah, I can't say I'm a bull anymore, Ford, but I don't know if it's gonna go low. I think it's probably gonna hold around this price range because that Ford is another ticker that's been getting slammed, and just last week it started rebounding. So I'll look for the reject on that one. It's a small account friendly. Let's see what happens with American Eagle. They had good earnings. No, this is not even the one. Abercrombie and Fitch. I'm confusing them. Sorry. So American Eagle, right? We got a bounce off the 50. Very, very like solid, I could say. This was the bounce rip, and it's kind of replicating that off of these candles. Friday made a higher close, so it's giving us a chance that we could possibly try to bounce higher. MACD is heavy, but there's a tint change. So this is another small account friendly play. Kind of goes with the Victoria's Secret one that I'm in for the swing. So let's see if retail wants to do something with Nike. Nike, did Nike have earnings? I think they did already, right? Are we waiting on that? Let me see. Let me verify for y'all real quick. So they have it. Oh, yeah, the 28th. It's the 28th they have it. So watch this one around here. What else we got? I think that's the only one that okay, so this one, for some reason, when SPY goes down, this ticker, ever since I started trading, I've been noticing this was crazy. This ticker likes to rip. So We got a macro break approaching. So if we get out of this, then SFM goes higher. So and look, guys, I'm not bullshitting. This shit goes higher when SPY goes down. Look at the candle I put in on Friday when SPY got smoked. Everything is saying it's gonna go higher. God willing. Let's see. Technically speaking. What else? Oh, I thought my phone died. SFM. Whirlpool looks bullish, I think. This is a bull play, I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Yep, bull play on Whirlpool. So potential rip above the 50. We ain't bearish. So everything looks good. The MACD looks good, you guys can see. I will watch a sneaky entry right before we kiss that 50 and then expecting to break that 50 basically. So I'm gonna watch Whirlpool around here. Beautiful volume on Friday, by the way, on Whirlpool. What else we got? Being what's this? An energy play? Yup, Viper Energy. All right, let's check out Venom, yo. hmm hmm As long as we hold this, yeah, as long as we hold this support right here on Venom, it could rip. They just gotta break these wicks, bro, and it could go. Bodies are very high open, so analysts are kind of bullish on this one. I just seen right now they talk about karate like 28%. So we'll set an alert to see if these analysts are talking facts. Okay. What else we got? SU. Sun 4. Probably gonna watch oil tomorrow too. Just gonna watch them simultaneously. This one looks good. Beautiful uptrend. Real strong candle engulfing the prior Thursday's candle. And we got a beautiful setup on the MAC and RSI. So this could definitely snap higher. So we're gonna watch this one for continuation. What's this alert? Oh, and downside. That's why I never went. Delete that. Forget. ET. I think we could catch ET one more time, gang. Same position, possibly. Let me see. Hmm. I don't know if we could get 12.5s again. It might go up. Yeah, it's a lot of wick activity on the lower level here. Yeah, I don't disregard ET. I thought we could short it, but might not. I already got one, two, three, four, five red candles. Then a bull candle came in on Friday, so I don't know if it's gonna go down. Oh, TKO, right? I don't know why my eyes caught this one. It looks heavy. Not really. It's kind of holding a trend. Yeah, it's holding an uptrend right here. Yeah. So if we stay above this, then TKO. This was, remember, WWE, right, guys? So um this is a bounce area. Look right here, reaction, and over here is where it ripped. That's actually where it ripped 100. So So my opinion, we could definitely try to get a reverse here. Especially this. This looks like it wants to MACD looks like it might want to double bottom finally. The RSI, it looks semi-heavy, but it's already been downtrending, you understand? So we're probably gonna get in on the hook. So that's basically what we could do. I'll watch TKO. In my opinion, yeah, it'll probably have to be around that yellow dot dash line, which is 103.45. And then from there, we'll see if it wants to go to the 50. Mm, 103.55, sorry. So that's TKO. Substituting WWE. Uh, ow. Oh, it's a beautiful break on this super resistance. Hold on. Hold on. Damn. All right. It's ripped already. Want to see what we can get on a bounce gang, because this put in the only stick in pre-market on Friday. It dipped and ripped though. Could have got in around right here. So I'm gonna look for a bounce around here to see if it really is gonna have some type of continuation. It's not expensive either, so I expect to sell off. Let's see if it wants to repeat a Friday move where it dipped and ripped. So I'll watch that for the bounce. What else we got? What else? 170. Okay. WBA looks good. I just don't want to turn it into an evening. I'm bugging out. Evening, yeah. That was the right one. Evening star. So this looks good. It looks like the bulls are gonna be ready to come in tomorrow on both sides of the indicator. So I'm gonna just watch this a little. Yeah, it's been getting smoked to the downside already for a while. Looks like that. Now I'm gonna talk about Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, and that's it. Apple looks heavy, so off the back, I'm gonna tell y'all watch that 170, 340 area tomorrow. Big time for shorts. But yeah, bad, bad. Everything's saying bear on Apple. Tesla. Tesla looks heavy too. Double top RSI, almost a shooting star on the daily. This is the only thing that looks okay. It doesn't look great. It looks okay just because how far extended. But I think shorts will work under. What's this? 270, right? 270.35. I think shorts will work on Tesla. Hmm. It's still uptrend though. No lie. I mean, that's why I said it could come down because of my TL. So it could definitely come down to either the VP line or try to test the 9 or the trend line, so that's why it could be a bear, nice bear play. Um, and I'm not really bullish on Ford too, so they both EVs. And Microsoft. I'm gonna talk about these every night from here on out. Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. Oh my God, this is super evening star. Wow. It's over once it goes under the 50. So free money on Microsoft under here. I'll put it around here. Let me see if it, yeah, it did. All right. I'm bearish on Microsoft. Hell yeah. Everything's saying hell. All right, gang. Any questions or any charts?
Yo, my fault about jumping in loud, bro. I didn't know I wasn't on mute.
Nah, you straight, bro. That's cool. All right, so tomorrow we on deck, gang. So, um, y'all, y'all trading tonight? I'll probably hop on, which I start.
Oh, you know we on demon time, bro.
You trying to trade?
Yo,
Uh,
I'm out for real.
y'all all down, down, down. All right, bet. So,
I'm in the short.
I bet. So I'm
Mommy's already
on.
trading, yo.
Tommy's
I
like, I've
bet.
been.
I'm gonna just stop the recording and just keep the Zoom on so y'all can rock out, and I'll trade with y'all.
For
Um,
sure, bro. See.
you